Hmm. Yeah. Wow. Is he gonna land on my hand? Oh wow, look at that. Cool. Get me getting you.
Are you videoing right now?
Yeah. Should I take it off? Woo. Wow. Got two of them. Look at that. So tame. Should we get another one? These are lorikeets. Two more. Two new ones. Wow. There. Red knob hornbill. Oh, there you go.
Hi, bird. Oh, look at that. And this little bird should probably have...
Look at that beak, or bill. In fact, for this time of year, it's been very cool. July. Wow. Wow.
Look at Melonjo. You see exactly how. Here at the San Diego Zoo, an endangered bird species out. There's a. Ladies and gentlemen, again, that is Melonjo. Now, there are a lot of misses around the owls, one of which is at the summit where Harmon Owl is 10 times better than you and I do right now. Flight, which enables these types of secretary birds. And you can see very unique from her appearance. Mainly out of her head. But they also are very unique in how they can say, in this case, is a snake on a big rubber stick at the end of it. Cold, stop that afraid of death. She has